The overall goal of this procedure is to demonstrate the collection, assembly, and irrigation of an intact soil core lysimeter to study nitrogen leaching through undisturbed agricultural soils.
This method is designed to answer questions concerning nutrients and other chemicals that can leach below the root zone to shallow groundwater.
The main advantage of this technique is that it is quick and easy. We have found that we need 4 or 5 replicates to produce significant results.
Although in this video we were looking at nitrate leaching, the method can be used to study many other compounds such as phosphorus, pharmaceuticals, hormones, or metals such as arsenic.
To begin, remove surface vegetation, rocks, and other debris from the collection area. Position 2 lysimeter bodies on level ground where lysimeters are to be taken. Ensure that lysimeters are level so that soil within the column is of a uniform depth. Drive a specially designed trailer-mounted drop hammer into place over the lysimeter bodies. When the drop hammer is in place, deploy hydraulically powered outriggers to level the steel plate with the ground and the top of the lysimeter bodies. The outriggers also provide stability for the drop hammer. Partially hoist the steel plate weighing 1,180 kilograms up a 3-meter tower with the aid of a mechanical winch. Release the steel plate to hammer the columns into the soil. Repeat this step several times.